Homework. Let's listen together. Question 1. Answer the questions based on the listening, giving directions. Share your own thoughts as well. Question 1. Why do you think the local person warns the tourists not to use a car in the evening? Possible answer is there is usually a traffic jam in the evening. Using a car can be a waste of time. Question 2. What problems could the tourist have if she didn't ask for directions? Sample answer could be she could get lost or arrive late. She might miss important places. Question 3. Why does a tourist decide to use public transport instead of walking later? Sample answer could be she wants to save time and take care of her health. The places are far away. And the last question, how can asking local people for help make traveling easier in a new city? Sample answer could be local people know the city well. They can give clear directions and useful advice. Question 2. Complete the table using information from the listening radio show Guess the Legend. Let's start with Cristiano Ronaldo. Field, sport, achievement. He won the international award Ballon d'Or. He is one of the most famous football players. Next, Emma Watson. Field, art. Achievement. She is famous for her role in the Harry Potter films. She also cares and protects children and their rights for education. And the last person is Albert Einstein. Field, science. Achievement. He's still one of the most famous scientists in the world. He changed how people understand energy and space. Question 3. Based on the listening, the weather forecast for Manchester, write T for true or F for false next to the sentences. 1. In the morning, the weather is sunny and drivers should be relaxed. It is false. 2. People should ride bicycles without lights in the fog. It is false. 3. In the afternoon it will be rainy and people should take an umbrella. It is true. 4. It is better to walk long distances in rainy weather. It is false. 5. In the evening the weather will be much better. It is false. 6. Trains will stop working because of the strong wind. It is false. And the last one, tomorrow the weather will be sunny and warm. It is true.